Hi, this cat is called bit counting. We have to write a function that takes an integer as an input, and what we basically have to return are the ones of the binary representation of the number. Let's say that the binary representation of 1, 2, 3, 4 is this handful of numbers. Then you see that there are 5 ones in that, so we have to return 5. How to go about that? First things first, how do we get the binary representation of 7? For that we have a method called binary. We can pass in the n as an argument, the number. So this is the binary representation. We can slice off the first 2 characters. We don't need that. There we have it. Yeah, let's assign it to a variable. Binary underscore number is equal to the binary representation. And then we can apply a method that works for basically every language. We can iterate over the string. So for number in binary number and print out the numbers, then we should get the zeros and the ones. In our case, we only have ones. And here we have to make a differentiation. Which of the numbers are odd and which are even. The hallmark of an odd number is that if you do a modulo 2 on it, that is not equal to 0. So if I print the numbers now, we should get all the ones. However, this won't work probably because the number is still a string. So we should convert to an integer first, but let's try it. Yeah, there you have the problem. So here we have to cast the number, which is a string, to a integer type. Yeah, then it works out. But then we should collect the ones in a new variable. Let's call it counter and then assign it a 0. So every time we are dealing with a 1, it should be added up to the counter. Plus equals the number. Then we can return the counter at the end. 3. Let's see if this works for the 10 as well. Yeah. For the 4. Yeah. And yeah, if you want to make it yourself really easy, you can do the following. But this is Python specific. You can use the count method. So you basically pass in the binary number, use the count method, and pass in as an argument the string that you want to search. In our case, we only want to search for the ones. And that will immediately return all the instances of 1 that are there. Yeah, that works out as well. So yeah, let's try this out. There we go. If this has been useful and helpful, please consider dropping a like, and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.